Hi everyone, today I'm sharing a quick way to make your own neem and tulsi shampoo and soap bar. This is loaded with the goodness of neem, tulsi and coconut oil and can equally be used for skin and hair. It works extremely well, especially for head lice, dandruff and acne. This is a mild yet effective homemade soap. So let us see how to prepare it, but please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and also please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. First we need some fresh neem leaves. Neem powder can also be used, but I prefer using fresh neem leaves as they work wonders for scalp and skin. And then we have tulsi or basil leaf as the second ingredient. Tulsi is widely used in Indian household for fighting several diseases just because it has great antifungal and antibacterial properties. So here we have some holy basil. Now I'm going to grind them together to make a very fine paste. Add a very little water to ease the grinding process, but make sure that you do not add too much water. So here we have the neem and tulsi paste. Now I'm going to sieve it to get rid of coarse residue which we don't need in our soap because it's going to get stuck in the hair. So sieve it nicely to get the neem and tulsi concentrate. Then for the soap base I'm using cast iron liquid. This is a basic ingredient for soap and shampoo making. I have shared the buying link for cast iron soap in the description box just in case if you wish to buy it. However, if you do not have the cast iron soap, it is totally alright. Then I would simply suggest you to use a clear soap like this one. Simply grate the soap to get fine shavings and liquidify it by double boiling method. You should never be placing the soap over direct heat or you might just char it or burn it. So after a few minutes of placing it over hot water, here is the liquid soap, and this can be used for all DIY soap and shampoo making processes. But today I'm going to try the cast iron soap and see how well it works. Here is the cast iron liquid that I ordered from Amazon. And I'm going to add our neem and tulsi concentrate in the cast iron liquid. Adding some coconut oil to make the soap milder and nourishing for hair and skin. Now let's place this over hot water for a few minutes to get everything blended seamlessly. Now till the solution is still hot, pour it into the molds for setting. It's time to deep freeze it, preferably overnight. So guys, it is the next day and the soap has completely frozen. Now it is the time to demold it. I honestly think that the cast iron liquid does not make hard soaps, as this one feels little too soft even after freezing. However, cast iron liquid is great for making liquid shampoos and body washes that are obviously liquid. So I can comfortably say that if you are intending to make a hard soap, then stick to the clear soap solution, the liquid solution that I suggested earlier in the video. That would make a really hard soap. Now it's time to see how much does this soap foam. It is foaming very well, and it is such a nice thing to see because we have put in so much effort into making this soap. I recommend this to be used for hair and skin just because it's all mild and natural. So friends, I really hope that you like this video. Do try it out and let me know how it worked for you, and I will see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care. But do follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.